Okay, so today's opener is pretty straightforward. It's what we've been doing so far the past couple of days here. It's using the area rectangular models to expand each of the following products. So basically, we're going to use this distributive property to label our area model. Then we're going to solve. Okay? So, the first number or set of numbers represents my height. And then the second number or group of numbers represents my width. Ooh, I don't have a whole lot of room there, do I? So, if that's my height, you guys, I have an X there. It's just real hard to see. I don't have a whole lot of room. And then my first width is going to be, and then my second width is, okay, so far, I've labeled my height and my width. Now that I know the height and the width, what can I find out about each section of the area model or the rectangle?
Why you got negative one? That's a positive.
Ooh, that's a really great question. So now that I have my area model labeled, what can I find about each section? What's that called though? Area. Yeah. So now I can find the area of each section. So I come in, area equals height times width. What's my height? Times my width, which equals, is that what I heard? 2x. Okay. Then my next one, height. Times width, which equals, okay. So now I know the area of this section. I know the area of the second section. Now I want to know the total area of the entire figure. Okay? So I'm going to add them. Do I have like terms that I can add here? No, I do not. So what's my final answer going to be?
2x to the second power plus 1x.
And box it. So on your quiz tomorrow, you're going to get a point for labeling your area model. Okay? So you'll get a point for having the correct height, a point for having the correct width. You'll have a point in each section for showing area equals height times width, and then you'll have a point for having the area. Then you'll get a point for having the correct answer and your answer boxed. So that's how your quiz is going to be graded for tomorrow. Okay? All right. So you guys already told me that the first set of numbers or number is always going to be your height, and the second set of numbers is going to be your width. Good, Alex. When you put your height down, make sure you put them in order. So it's going to be 5a and negative 4. Then your width, you're going to keep in order as well, and it's going to be, it can be 1a, or you can just put a. It doesn't matter. And then your other width. Good. How many areas am I going to solve for this time? 4. All right, let's see. Daisha. Find the area of my first section, please. Oh, I'm sorry. AJ, help her out. You're going to do the next one. Have Mr. McFarland sign that.
5a times 1a. And then it's 5a squared.
Okay. Daisha, second section here. 5 what? Which is?
Oh, 35.
35 what?
8.
All right. Kelly, bottom left.
A equals -4 times 9, and you get
Whoa, times what?
times A,
Which equals?
-4A.
And then Mackenzie, bottom right. Which equals? Get your calculator out. Where's your book back? You don't have your calculator in your... Uh-oh. So where's your binder at? What's -4 times -7, you guys? Positive 28. Good. Okay, now that I have the area of each section, I need to find the total area. Before I do that, I like to see if I have any like terms. Let's see here. Jaden, do I have any like terms here? Look up here. Do I have any like terms?
Yeah.
What are they?
35 and 4.
Okay. So I'm going to circle them just because I'm going to use that. Okay. And then I'm ready to go ahead and combine or add the total area of my rectangle. Raise your hand if you know how to write this answer.
Me.
Daisha, how am I going to write this answer?
Would it be 5A plus,
Squared.
yeah, square, well, don't you, plus the 40 and 35?
So you're going to have negative 35a plus negative 4a.
Wait, what?
So think about it. If you owe me $35 and now you owe me 4 more, how much do you owe me?
What is that?
If you owe me $35 and then you owe me 4 more, how much do you owe me? Negative 39. Good. So minus 39a. And then what's the last thing I write, Daisha?
28? Wait, oh, I said 28.
I just didn't hear you. Sorry. And then we're going to box it. Now, obviously, I'd really like your answer next to the equal sign, but I don't have room on mine, so I'm just going to write it right up above. But your guys' answer should be up right to the next of your equal sign. Okay? Now, you're all right. We're learning. All right. Once you have that down, make sure your names are on them and pass them forward.
Okay.